Questions being on. What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and today I'll be playing Bee Swarm Simulator with my friend Hero Oafs 111. Right there. There he is. Wait, start Stickbug challenge. Start Stickbug. If you know, I have Discord right here. We're talking. Wait, start Stickbug. I'm ready. So I'm still kind of new to this game. If you look at my gear, I don't look like that. I'm not new, but I literally started yesterday. And oh, Stickbug, where is he? I see him. My friend Hero Oafs has been helping me in advance, becoming better. That's how I've become better. And he's been letting me get all the loot. Well, he just killed Stickbug. Where is he? Where is he? Pumpkin patch? Where's that? Oh, he's up there. Let's fight down here. Fight down here. Wait, is the pumpkin patch in the 15 area? Need 15 bees to pass. I don't have that. Just collect pollen, I guess. Level 4 mountain? Where's that? Mountaintop? Wait, Hero Oafs, where's Mountaintop? What? Is that the 25 area? I can't go there. It keeps going in all the places I can't go. Hero Oafs, where is Stick Guy? Is he still in the east? Is he still in the places I can't get? Why does he keep going in the places I can't go? Level 5 pineapple patch? Where's that? In the 10B area? I can go there? What? I don't think so. Oh, I see him. I think so. Hopefully they can't hear you. Well, I can't say your actual name. I have to say like Heroes. Attack! Whoa. Oh, the stick nymphs. I hate them. Alright, where's the stick bug? Can I go there? Talk to Science Bear? See my quest. Discover 5 B-types. Collect 20,000 white pollen. Strawberry fields. Collect 10,000 bamboo fields. Why is the stick bug guy keep going to places I can't get him? guys enjoy or like this video, then you should please consider subscribing and liking to this video. Please subscribe and like to my channel. I work really hard on my videos, and I don't get much subscribers from them. So if you like these videos and if you like this video or enjoy them, please like and subscribe to my channel. It would help me out a lot. It's not that hard to do. What happened to Stick Bug? What? That's not even fair. He kept going in spots where I couldn't get him. I'm doing the Science Bear quest. Oh my god. What? Not the past lives movement. Chat, do you support the past lives movement? If you do support the past lives movement, comment down below if you support it or not. And if you support it, I'll heart your video, or I'll heart your likes, or your comments, I mean. Ah, I keep getting red bees. What? What do you mean? A new token? What does it look like? Like, is it like white and has 6 black lines on it? It's a plus sign? Wait, Elgin, do you Hero Oath, do you have any beans? No. Hero Oaths, do you have any beans that you could plant sprouts with? We should plant a bean. No. You're stealing all the honey. Oh, it's honey rain, I think. Royal jelly. What the heck? I'm doing the Science Bear quest. Where's the strawberry field? Oh. No, I can't go in the 20 area. You're talking to what? The mythic egg? What? You should be able to gift people honey. I'm going to strawberry too. What are these thingies? I found like some weird yellow things and they're glowing. I found a moon token. Elgin, come into the Hero Oves, come into the spider area. I will. Hero Oves, come to the spider area. Coconut crab? He's hard? Oh my gosh, this is chaos. The strawberry field's chaos right now. There's like some random guy, there's like an explosion and a tornado and a bunch of frogs. It's chaos in here. It's a tornado. I talked to Brown Bear. He said collect 500 pollen. What are the blessings? The weird balloons, they say blessing. Oh my god. I can almost buy another bee. I'm going to the strawberry field again. I used a gumdrop to get extra strawberry honey from the strawberry field, or pollen from the strawberry field. Which field are you in? I'm talking the black bear. Oh, give me 500 honey. I told you. I need 600 pollen of red. I need 600 red pollen. Yeah, chat. The strawberry field is very chaotic. Wait, Hero Oves, where's the science bear? Oh wait, never mind. I see him. I completed all his quests. I'm coming to talk to him. Hey chat, if you do you guys play Beeswarm? If so, comment down below you play Beeswarm, and I'll heart your video if it likes. Can I use this? I could use a yellow cannon. Heroes. What the heck? Science B gave me a lot of honey. Science B gave me a lot of honey, and he gave me a science experiment. He gave me science enhancement. 31,000. What's the science enhancement thing? What? I got a hasty. I got a new bee! Yeah, I got a fire bee. Yeah. No, I don't wanna, no. My fire bee is at level 4. Cause I don't wanna talk about that. Hate that. Alright, let's see my quests. Collect 600 red pollen. Wait, Hero Oath, do you know where the most red pollen is? Yeah. Strawberry field? No. Oh, I already finished it. I just went to the ladybug field, or the mushroom field. I went to the mushroom field and... Oh, he said something about a silver egg. Collect 1,000 blue pollen. Where's the blue pollen? Yeah. Oh, I see it. I need 1,000 of it. I'm not, no. Oh, wait, actually, quick story time. I used to have this kid back in middle school. Back when I was in middle school. When I was in sixth grade and back in middle school. Which was a long time ago. There was some kid who I met in 5th grade, and he had a friend that I met. Oh, give me a silver egg. Black Barrel, give me a silver egg. I need to complete 3 more quests though. So there was this kid in my 5th grade. He was in like the same 5th grade. He was in the same class as me. I didn't have any same class as him. But one of my friends, let's name him. Say his name. His name was Trevor. That's not his actual name, but Trevor and I were pretty good friends. And Trevor, came from a different school, just like me. I came from a different school too. And this was in 5th grade. And there was this kid in a different class, and his name was Avery H. That's alright. Avery H seems okay at first, so we hung out with him. We played games together and we had fun. Where's the Cloverfield? Okay, never mind. And so then, one day, I decide, well, I've been hanging out with Avery H a lot, and I'd like to hang out with some of my other friends. So I tell Trevor and Avery H, today I'm gonna hang out with Bob and Jim instead of you guys. And so he's like, are you guys fine with that? He's like, yes. Okay, I get that, because sometimes you don't always want to hang out with the same friends. So I went out and I was hanging out with Bob and Jim, and then Trevor wanted to go hang out with his other friends, who we'll call Tommy. So Tommy and Trevor were hanging out while I was hanging out with Bob and Jim. So then Avery H comes up to me and he says, "Why aren't you hanging out? Why did you ditch me?" And I say, "What?" And a teacher comes up to me and starts getting mad at me and starts yelling at me for absolutely no reason. And so I ask her, "Why? What did I do wrong?" She said, "You and Trevor ditched Avery H. You and Trevor ditched Avery H. And you ditched him and you left him alone to play with no one." And I got a silver egg. And so Avery H went and he told on us by the teacher, said that we ditched him, made up some fake story of us ditching him. When in reality, I literally just got a duplicate from a silver egg. Yep. And so, in reality, I just told him I wanted to hang out with some other friends. And so he's like, "No, you guys ditched me. You guys were bullying me." And he got really mad at us for absolutely no reason. So at that point, we told the truth. We told what happened. And even Jim, Bob, and Timmy even told her what happened. And so she let us off the hook because we didn't do anything. And so then Avery H goes, and one day we're playing like Minecraft, and it was not like actual Minecraft, but it was like imaginary Minecraft, and we made it to the Ender Dragon fight, and we're like, "Alright, you guys ready?" We all had diamond armor, and we're like, "Oh, watch out, Avery H!" And Avery H was like, "Watch out, the dragon!" It hit Avery H, and we're like, "Oh no, Avery H, the dragon hit you. You have the water bucket clutch." And then he's like, "What? How did I water bucket clutch?" And then he died. I was like, "Oh, come on, Avery H. You only have one life left." He's like, and so then I'm like, "You have to watch out. You have to be more careful next time, Avery H." And then I died. I'm like, "Oh man!" And then we're all dying, but we're having fun. And I'm like, "Come on, guys, the dragon's perching. Attack!" And then Avery H died again. I'm like, "Oh no, Avery H, you're dead. We must avenge you. Avery H, you have to spectate now since you're dead." And he's like, "What? I'm not dead. But then I come back. I come back, and I beat the Ender Dragon, one shot him, and I beat the game with all my new armor that's better than Netherite and all other armors in the game combined. And I beat the game. You guys all lose, and I win." And he kept making up stupid rules against us, but it was extremely annoying that he kept doing that. And then he got mad, and then we got mad at him, decided not to play with him if he kept doing that, and he did keep doing it, so we didn't play with him. And so he got mad, told the teacher, told the same thing. He said that we were ditching him again, and we were bullying him, which was not true. And then, because of that, and then later on, like towards the end of the year in 5th grade, he goes and he starts, he becomes a bad person. He just starts he made fun of diabetes, asthma, and like autism and ADHD. And I know a lot of my friends have some of those conditions like asthma, ADHD, diabetes, and there's nothing wrong with having that. Just he was being really mean about that, and that wasn't okay. And so none of us liked that. So we decided we started to like stop hanging out with him more, and we didn't really like him anymore because of what he said. And so he lost like a bunch of friends, and because of that, he's like, "No, stop!" He started throwing like a big tantrum and screaming at us, even though it was his fault for literally saying all those bad things. And he's like, "No, I was just kidding." You can't be kidding about that. And then 6th grade rolls around, and Avery H, I have him in my math and ELA class. So he's in my math class and he's in my ELA class. So in ELA, he became a computer kid. I would always see him at lunch with his computer. He would have like a sandwich in one hand and his other hand on the keyboard. Be like, he was addicted, and he was in my ELA class, and he would always play games on his computer. And the teacher would come to him and be like, Avery H, can you please stop playing games and pay attention to the lesson? And so he's like, no, I need my computer. I need my computer, no. He started screaming at her, and so she's like, that's it, Avery H. If you're not gonna listen, then I'm gonna take away your computer. And so she took it, and she closed it, and Avery H started screaming and crying. Like, I'm not even kidding. He was like, no, you can't do that. It's my computer. And so at that point, Avery H is like screaming, and everyone's looking at him. And everyone's like, what the heck? What is going on? And it's like taking a piece of candy from a baby. That's how bad it was. He was screaming, like he can't live without his computer. And so he was like addicted to that thing, like it was his life support or something, and he could not live without it or something like that. And so at lunch he would even have it, he would not go anywhere without his computer being closed. It was so back in middle school, I also met a math class, and in that class we had a test that we had to do on a computer, our little Chromebooks they gave us. And she's like, alright class, now we'll start the test. And so me, Avery H, and my other friend Jimmy, we were all in the same class, and we all sat next to each other. You know, Avery H sat far apart from us, but me and Jimmy sat next to each other. So we were halfway through the test when we both decided to go play Minecraft on our Chromebooks, because why not? So we were playing Minecraft on our Chromebook instead of doing the test on the computer. And so then every now and then we'd go and play Minecraft for like 10 minutes, then go back and then do the math test again, the math test. And so Mondo Chick has spawned. We did finish the math test though. So me, Avery H, and Jimmy were all playing Minecraft instead of the test. And so then the teacher saw Avery H that he wasn't doing the math test. Instead, he was playing Minecraft on his Chromebook instead of the math test. And so the teacher got mad and he was like, Avery H, you're in trouble. And he was like, no! She took away his Chromebook and closed it. And then he had to do it on a paper. And me and Jimmy were trying so hard not to laugh. Because if we laughed, we would have gotten in trouble too. But we didn't get in trouble. We finished the math test and we did good on it. And so after that, Avery H got in big trouble and we just stopped becoming friends with him. He got progressively worse and worse until he switched schools in 7th grade, and we were all really happy. But no. And so once Avery H was gone, the school became a better place because then he was gone. Stupid Avery H, I hate him. He was a turd. He was super annoying too. Die already, commando chick. He's not dying. And so we all stopped hanging out every age. We all told him we're not friends. And when Skibidi Toilet came out, he was obsessed. He changed his profile picture to Skibidi Toilet. It was like that even in high school. In high school, it was still Skibidi Toilet. In college, it was still Skibidi Toilet because the teachers banned us from changing our profile pictures. So, I'm pretty sure to this day, now that we've graduated college, his profile picture is still a Skibidi Toilet, unless he's changed it. That's gonna haunt him for like the rest of his life. And then in high school, he got bullied because he was a computer kid and a band kid. That's like the worst combo ever. He was a computer kid, band kid, and he was a Skibidi Toilet kid. He was so annoying. And in math, he would never listen, and he would just draw like Freddy Fazbear and like Poppy Playtime. And he'd be like, look, Time Dragon, look, I drew Poppy Playtime. And so then he had a birthday party, and he invited me, and I'm like, oh. And he's like, it's gonna be Poppy Playtime themed. It's gonna be super fun. I was like, oh. And I, of course, did not want to go to that, because I didn't want to go to a Poppy Playtime themed birthday party. But Trevor went and he took pictures and showed me, and there was like Huggy Wuggy, and his dad was in like a Huggy Wuggy costume, and it was like really bad, but it was super funny. And I didn't go, and I was like, I have to go visit my cousins the same week that your birthday party is, so I'm not gonna be here. I'm gonna go visit my cousins. And he's like, oh, well, it'll be lots of fun. You should come. I'm like, no, I'm good. And I didn't go to his birthday party, and only one person showed up at his entire birthday party. It was like super sad but funny. Stupid Avery H, I hate him. Alright, well that's it for Avery H story. The what? Oh, one time, so there's like a little thing, there's like a park near where me and Hero Oafs live, or where we used to live in middle school. Back in middle school, we were neighbors back in middle school, and there was a forest and a park, and at the park, there was a tennis court, and we went to the tennis courts once, and there was like, they're having like a party there, because it was like the 4th of July or something, and they were like celebrating the 4th of July or something like that, and so we went to the park, and we went to it was like getting late, and so we were like, we went to the tennis courts, and we found a cult, and we found like a ritual they're doing with like demon symbols and like a ritual. And it was apparently a furry cult. It was like 5 furry members, and they were like chanting like foreign languages and starting like a ritual to summon like a furry demon or something. So me and Hero Oafs got really scared, and we ran out. And then my mom texted me to come home because it was getting late. So I went home, and yep, that's it for the furry cult. The trench coat lady? Oh. So back at the same park, there was a giant forest that me, Hero Oafs, and 3 of our other friends would build like a little base in the forest, like a treehouse. And in the treehouse, we had like an entire base, and there was this lady that we would always see, and she was like a homeless lady. And she had like a trench coat, and then she would always walk around, and she was like homeless, and she was like super scary, and she would always follow us around the forest. What? Oh, and she lives in the forest, and she would like follow us around and stalk us. And she would never talk, and we never saw her face. Her face was like covered in scarves. It was covered in like scarves. Scarves, hat. She had like a red hat, scarf, sunglasses, COVID mask, so you couldn't even see her face at all. Which I thought was a bit excessive if you're just trying to survive fleas, because there's no ticks, I mean. But stinger grants your bees. But I thought that was a little bit interesting. I still don't trust her. She still like lurks in the forest. Oh yeah. We don't want to talk about that. Should I say it? So the egg. So me and Hero Oafs, when we were also in middle school again, we had a little incident. We like to call it the egg incident. And yeah, you're probably wondering, what the heck is the egg incident? Well, one day the park was celebrating again. We went to the park and they're celebrating Easter. Because it was Easter and they were doing an Easter egg hunt for all the kids. And so Hero Oafs was like, alright, I got an idea. So last year, me and some other friend, when it was nighttime, we went into the forest and we got a bunch of eggs before the round started and cheated. And so I was like, and he's like, alright, we could do that this time. And I didn't really want to, but I just went along with it. I was like, okay. And so we went and we started harvesting eggs. And so then we got like a bunch of eggs. And so then we went and we got a bunch of eggs. And so we got a bunch of eggs. And then and so I didn't really want to do it. I was on board with it, and then I felt guilty doing it. And I was like, I feel bad doing this. No, it was your idea in the first place. Yeah, that. No, no, it was those kids. Yeah, because there was like some kids, and they said, "Look, I see people coming," and I was like, "Oh, that means we could go." And so me and Hero Oaf started harvesting eggs, and those kids lied, and they got on their bikes and just drove away on their bikes, so they wouldn't get caught 100%. And we'll do that one in the next video. Alright. That's true. 45 minutes. Alright, well, I guess that's it for today's video. Alright. I guess we'll see you guys in the next one. Next time I'll do another Bee Swarm story time. And when I'll see you guys in the next video. And if you liked this video, then you should consider subscribing and liking to my channel. It would help me out a lot. And it's not very hard to do. So if you like this video, then you should consider subscribing and liking. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!